You can share your experience.
It was a fantastic experience because I didn't know I was blind. And when I would be driving at night, the halos were there, and it was getting worse and worse, and I would actually get scared to even get in the car with me. It was like, something's really wrong. And I'd just been to the doctor, and he said, your eyes are great. You don't have a problem. You have cataracts forming, but it'll be years. So anyway, when I had heard about Dr. Wang's surgery, I thought, I'll just go and check it out. And decided to go ahead and do it. Found out that my eyes were much worse than I thought. After having surgery, which I am so thankful for, it's just been a miracle. I'm already seeing 20/20, which is just unbelievable after just about 5 weeks since surgery. And being able to see things I never thought I could see. So the first experience I had was when I looked out in the church and looked up, and the world was white, and I didn't know that. I thought it was yellow because I was so blind. And so I am just eternally grateful that I have sight now, and I didn't know how much I was missing. So I would just encourage anybody, if you have any questions, to do it, because it's been wonderful for me.